How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for clicking. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to make this quick because I got some daddy duties to do, but I'm just gonna do the breakdown for the trade I took today. And it was a winner, right? Unfortunately, there was a mistake made on my behalf, and I'll get into it when we get there. But yeah, full TP. So the strategy is super simple. You're taking price from 12 a.m. to 8:30. You're marking out the high and low. You're waiting for either that high or low to be breached, and then a reversal to form. Super simple. I personally today was looking at like higher time frame, 4 hour structure, and obviously we're extremely bearish, right? So what I would like to see, right? I would like price to push up and then form a market structure shift, right? I would like to see like price pushing up. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? I would ultimately I would want price to push up. I don't even know if it did push up this high, but we'll want price to push up into this fair value gap. Let's see. Drop it down to the 5 minute. That's not part of the strategy, guys. It's just I wanted, like, that's where I was looking at. I personally, my bias was bearish. I want price to come up to take a sell, even though let's mark out the high and the low, right? Right there. We swept liquidity to the downside. Now, just because we had liquidity down here, like it was, it was pretty close to it. I wasn't convinced for the buy, even though I don't know. I really wasn't convinced with the buy. If you drop down to the 1 minute chart, the buy played out, right? Because there definitely was like a market structure shift on the 1 minute, and you could have gotten in on a good entry and hit TP. But as we're getting closer to 9:30 price, I just wasn't confident on it. I really thought the price is going to take out the highs and then come down, so that's what I stuck with. Overall, if you did take this trade, let's just say that you marked it up where it started pulling back, you see you get tagged in, and then it actually hits full TP, long position. But to be completely transparent, I did not take this trade at all, right? Play price forward, full TP, and then it comes down. And this is where I was interested in the trade, right? It basically comes in, wicks at that fair value gap, and then breaks market structure to the downside. So playing price back, I take my fib from top to bottom, right? And then I'm looking for an entry. I started entering at the 0.59 because I wouldn't get tagged into some trades. Now, today was a complete blunder on my behalf. So this is the trade that I marked up, and I went for 2 times risk. Let's see, where's 2 times risk, 2 times risk, 2 times risk. All right, so playing price. You're going to see we get tagged into the trade and immediately into our direction. It basically wicks my TP, right? It did not close on the MT4. I was sitting there with my finger on the stupid mouse pad because I trade on a laptop, so it's one of those like little things that you move your finger around. And I had it there because I was like, should I close out? No. Should I close out? No. And if I would have taken the entry at the 61.8, obviously we hit full TP. It would have closed out. It wouldn't be an issue. So these are the emotions that were going through my head, right? So price starts to pull back, and I said, fuck it. Let me at least move my stops to break even, so I just don't lose the money on the trade because it basically hit full TP. As I did that at this moment in time, I unfortunately closed out the trade. Like, it's one of those touchpad things, so the click of the mouse is the touch of the pad, and completely closed the trade. So it was a fuck up on my behalf, completely sucked, but I still closed out with 1% profit and playing price forward. It would have never come back and it actually just melted away, right? So it was an awesome trade, amazing trade today. Unfortunately, I was only able to take home 1% today. So we're back at break even. So it's okay. I'm not gonna get upset. I'm actually happy about it, right? We're at break even. The strategy's still working. It's been month after month, and yeah, I'm excited. Even though I've been at like this wishy-washy back and forth for the last month, just because of the way things has played out for me, I I am extremely excited for what the future has, and what the future has for all of us guys. Because I really do believe that this I really do believe in this industry, and that it's going to change my life, and I hope it does the same for you guys. Anyways, let me go. I know I promised other videos. I am going to get to it. I'll do a breakdown on the Asia session GJ setup. I don't have back-tested data on it. I just have the FX replay that I was looking at. I'll post up the strategy regardless. You guys could do what you want with it. Take a look. Maybe it's profitable, but I haven't put time and effort into it. Right now, I'm just focusing on this because I do believe this is the one that's going to help me step away from my daytime job, right? And at least give me some financial freedom so I could start exploring other ways to diversify my portfolio, right? Anyways, you guys have a blessed night, and I will catch you in the next video.